Completely new topic. Why do you emphasize homosexuals and homosexuality so much?
Because it's the water I swim in, right? So I was born into this life, um, and from an early age, I knew that I was gay. I remember it was 1968, and Time magazine or Life magazine was in our house, and it had a pictures of the riots in San Francisco. Excuse me, in New York City, the Stonewall riots in San Francisco. And I asked my mom, "What's that?" And she said, "Oh, that's a bunch of really sick people who are protesting
Mm.
in New York." And I knew I had to hide. I knew I couldn't tell her that I was one of those people, but I knew I was one of those people at 8 years old. And so I didn't write the book about homosexuality. I wrote the book about my journey of manifesting. And part of that was living very authentically, talking about my husband, my life, my kids, and what it has taken for me to get there. If I was a straight man, I would write about my wife, my husband, my work, my kids, and no one would give it 2 seconds thought. But because I'm a gay man and I write about it, it's all of a sudden becomes about homosexuality.
Mm.
It's not, but that's the world I live in, and that's the soup I swim in, or the sea I swim in, whatever the metaphor is that I'm messing up so badly. But, so I didn't. You think it's a great incidental thing that the book is doing well in an LGBTQ setting? Because there is some kid somewhere in the world who's seeing it or hearing it or will see me on a video and say, "Hey, it's me, and look what he's done." And that's the reason that I say it out loud.
All right.